Learning piano as an adult can be incredibly challenging. You might spend years watching random YouTube videos, or pick up books from the store that are confusing to follow, or spend thousands of dollars on private piano lessons that may or may not be super useful, and all while feeling like you're not actually making a sense of real progress. This experience can be frustrating and isolating, and it can make it really easy to feel like you just want to give up. But it doesn't actually have to be that way, because with the right path, the right community, and the right guidance, you can actually have the experience of making real progress that's measurable in a community that makes the learning experience really fun. Hi there, my name is Alicia from Piano TV, and I've been teaching piano for almost 20 years, running this YouTube channel for 10 years with 140,000 plus subscribers. And since 2020, I've been teaching online classes to students who are ranging from complete beginners to people who are more experienced musicians, and ranging in life stage from working professionals to retirees in their 50s and even as far as their 90s. Most adults who are learning piano struggle with the same sorts of problems. They lack a clear sense of structure, they pick pieces that are either too easy or too hard, they are alone and isolated in the experience of learning piano, and they often spend months, maybe even years, trying without having a sense of forward momentum. And there's a lot of effort that goes into this. This is not talking about lazy people. These are people who are really, really motivated to learn, but there is a lack of resources that provide a clear roadmap for students who are trying to learn piano. The Complete Piano Path, or CPP, is a curriculum for adults which is designed to provide that real structure, and that real structure gives piano students a sense of real progress when they're learning. And the classes teach real music, so music that's fun to learn, both classical and contemporary, and of course, real support. Unlike other online piano courses, CPP provides the complete journey from one grade to the next. So you're not guessing what the next step is in your learning journey. You always know what's going to be next to practice in terms of pieces, your technique, your sight reading, or your music theory concepts. People join CPP for several reasons. Number one, they're looking for structure, so they're not just bouncing around random YouTube videos and books. Number two, they're looking for feedback and accountability, so that they're not just getting into a bunch of bad piano practice habits. Three, they're looking for a supportive community to help keep them motivated. And four, they're more affordable than private piano lessons, which may or may not be accessible to everyone. But most of all, people tend to join these classes because they're looking to make consistent progress. Inside each CPP level, you will get a weekly assignment with a piece to learn and a detailed breakdown and checklist as to how to practice it, as well as video tutorials that will give you instructions on how to practice the week's assignments. You'll get sight reading and technique assignments, the higher grades will get theory assignments, and we'll all convene for a weekly live session, in which case I will give feedback to some people who decide to share their videos of their progress. And what makes this really fun is that you're learning the same music alongside other people, so you all get to be in it together. By the end of this course, you'll have an arsenal of beautiful pieces that you can share with your friends and family. If you record your progress each week, you'll have this wonderful backlog in which to assess your progress. And you'll have a clear sense from that of what you've accomplished, and you'll also have a clear sense of what's next to be accomplished over the horizon. You'll have improved hand coordination, your sight reading will be better, your ear training will be better, you'll have a deeper sense of confidence, and you'll have had the experience of sharing all of this with a community. It's so much fun getting to see so many people make actual real progress in their piano journeys. It's incredibly inspiring. I want to make sure that if you decide to join, you're really happy with the experience. If for whatever reason it's not what you're looking for, or it's not the right fit, you can just message me back and get a 100% refund, no questions asked. Because of this emphasis on community learning, enrollment for these classes only opens once per year. So every year in August, these classes will open. This year, registration closes August 31st. So if this is something that's interesting to you, you'll want to make sure that you register before that deadline. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait for a whole other year. If you want more details on how to register or what the different classes entail, I give pretty detailed breakdowns of each class. Just click the link below. You can go to pianotv.net/ptvschool, and everything's linked in the description for you to check out there. So whether you're a completely brand new student and you're just getting started on your piano journey, or you've been playing a while, I have a lot of different CPP courses. So there's probably something that will fit where you're at on your piano journey. I have seen students from all walks of life, of all ages, do what they didn't think was possible. A lot of people say, I don't think I can learn piano, I'm too old, or too much time has passed, or this and that, and then they surprise themselves and they do amazing things. So I hope that you'll join us on this journey. It's a lot of fun. It's a really great community. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope to see you inside.